Namaste. I welcome you all to Ayush Shakti's Facebook Live. Like every day, we are live even today. Ayush Shakti has helped more than 1.5 million people worldwide. And most of the people nowadays deal with diabetes. One in every family has diabetes. One member in every family has diabetes. Even youngsters have diabetes nowadays, and even old age people. We have Dr. Smita Naram and Dr. Priyanka Shukla with us to answer all of these questions. Let's see what Dr. Smita Naram has to say on this.
Friends, will you believe me if I tell you that newest of the discovery in the field of diabetes was already mentioned in ancient scriptures 5000 years ago? Yes, recently it is found that amyloid toxins, amyloid toxins, when they accumulate in pancreas, they actually block the insulin from going to the blood, mixing into the blood, and that's how the type 2 diabetes is created. That insulin is not reaching the blood, not processing the sugar. And these amyloid toxins in long run also slowly and steadily deposit into arteries causing heart problems, or if they deposit into the retinal vein or arteries, it will create a retinal diabetic retinopathy, what they call it, or problem in the kidneys can happen when they block into the kidneys, or if it goes into the brain, Parkinson's, Alzheimer, or memory situations with diabetes or without diabetes. And these amyloid toxins are exactly same description like ama descriptions in Ayurveda. Ayurveda says ama, which is a toxic, mucus, frothy, sticky. It gets settled in the tissues or outside tissues, and it blocks the functions of the body. It blocks the arterial function. It can block kidneys, etc., etc. I just wanted to share this example of Raghu. In fact, Ayushakti have been actually focusing on processing and removing AMA as a treatment for diabetes to support diabetic people in a true way for last 32 years. So this one, I met Raghu in USA at Dr. Tom Mitchell's place, who is Ayushakti clinic partner basically. And he had type 2 diabetes and 9.2 HbA1c. Normal HbA1c should be at least 6, maximum 6.5. Then it's fine. And he was already taking 2 prescription medications and 1 prescription medication for blood pressure. So 2 for diabetes, 1 for blood pressure. And his doctor said that we have to increase the dose of this medication. And he was not ready because he had such a huge gastric problems, acidity, diarrhea every day because of this medication that he was taking. So he came to see me, and I found that he has high level of ama in his pulse. You can in fact know ama through our phone consultation. Also we find out about ama by asking questions like tongue is coated, you feel heavy, your tummy is bloated, everything else is thin, or you have a shin bone which is swollen little bit, there is a edema in your legs. There are several symptoms which indicate that this is ama is present, or this toxic amyloid type of toxins are present in your body. And I gave him just to process ama 7 days of moong and vegetable soup fasting every month, and then the diet, home remedy, and herbal formulas that soon Dr. Priyanka will share with you. He did this religiously for 6 months. And to my surprise, he he came down to 6.2 blood sugar level. And his doctors in America himself reduced his prescription medication. After a year, they stopped it completely because they said you don't need it anymore. And we never attempted to do anything for blood pressure, but because ama toxins were gone, naturally his blood pressure came down, and his doctor also stopped blood pressure medication. So that's what Ayurveda always looks at, what is the root underlying thing. and then we just process that so that you get a long lasting health. So I'm looking forward to listen to Dr. Priyanka, who will now share from our team. She's trained by me specially, and she'll share what to do.
Hello, Namaskar. This is Dr. Priyanka Shukla. I have done my MD in Ayurveda and I have traveled to US and helped people there. During this Corona pandemic, one of the observation is that the death rate is more in people with comorbid conditions, and diabetes is one of the condition. तो डायबिटीज में होता ये है कि आपकी जो प्रतिकार शक्ति रहती है, इम्यूनिटी, वो काफी कम हो जाती है और इस कारण से कोरोना जैसी बीमारियों का खतरा ज्यादा रहता है. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ वरिंग एंड पैनिकिंग अबाउट दिस कंडीशन, लेट्स डिस्कस वेज टू मैनेज योर शुगर लेवल्स एंड डायबिटीज. तो आपके लिए आज मैं डायबिटीज को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाए, आपके शुगर लेवल्स को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाए, इस बारे में चर्चा करेंगे. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, प्लीज राइट इट इन द कमेंट section below and we'll be happy to answer it. So first, friends, let's discuss proven home remedy. We have turmeric powder, half teaspoon, methi powder, half teaspoon, that is a fenugreek powder, and avla powder, that is Indian gooseberry powder, 1 teaspoon. You have to mix all these ingredients well and take the mixture with water every morning on empty stomach. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपको ये इफेक्टिव और प्रूवन होम रेमेडी जरूर फायदेमंद होगी. आप इसको जरूर आजमाइए और अपने सेहत में सुधार देखिए. इसी के साथ मैं और एक घरेलू नुस्खा आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. 1 cup of neem juice. If neem leaves are not available, you can even use neem powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi, and 1 teaspoon of avla powder. Mix all these ingredients well and take this mixture with water every morning on empty stomach. So these proven and effective home remedies help to regulate your pancreatic function, strengthen your immunity and regulates metabolism. अब हम नेक्स्ट जाते हैं डाइट पे. डाइट में आपका जो वेजिटेबल्स है, that should be a 60% of your diet. 30% should be proteins and carbohydrates 10%. Will be like spinach or dudhi, methi, turi, white pumpkin, bitter gourd. So just ensure that 60% of your diet should be these vegetables. 30% जो proteins हैं, उसमें आपको दालें लेनी है, lentils लेना है, जैसे मूंग दाल हो गई है, मसूर दाल, अरहर की दाल, तूर दाल. So this should consist of 30% of your diet. आप चना और सोयाबीन का भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जिसमें भी काफी अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन रहता है. एंड द लास्ट इज 10% ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. सो 10% ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में आपको सीरियल्स लेना है, जैसे ज्वार है, रागी है, कुलीत है, बार्ली है. सो दिस इज हाउ योर डाइट शुड बी देयर इन डायबिटीज. यू हैव टू एब्सोल्युटली अवॉइड राइस, potato, sweet fruits, maida, wheat, deep fried foods, red meat and sabudana. Exercise at home. Do yoga like Vajrasan, Mandukasan, Surya Namaskar. ये सारे योगा जो है, योगासन्स हैं जो आपको बेहद फायदेमंद रहेंगे अपनी शुगर लेवल्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए. प्राणायाम और अनुलोम विलोम से भी मेंटल स्ट्रेस दूर होकर आपकी शुगर लेवल्स को कंट्रोल करेगा. If you have any questions, please write in the box below and we'll बता रही हूँ। ये हर्बल सप्लीमेंट हमने देखा है कि हमारे काफी पेशेंट्स पे असरदार हुए हैं। कई पेशेंट्स की एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन कम हो गई है या बंद हो गई है। तो इसमें जो है कि अगर आपका पोस्ट प्रैंडियल शुगर लेवल यानी खाने के 2 घंटे के बाद का शुगर जो हम लेते हैं वो 200 के नीचे हो, इफ इट इज बिलो 200, देन आयुष शक्ति हर्बल सप्लीमेंट इज डायबिटॉक्स पी। अगर आपका खाने के बाद का शुगर लेवल 200 से नीचे है तो आप डायबिटॉक्स पी जो आयुष शक्ति का सप्लीमेंट है उसका आप यूज करिए, उसमें आपको बहुत फायदा होगा। और यदि आपका पीपी शुगर लेवल्स मींस खाने के 2 घंटे के बाद का शुगर 200 से अबव है, 200 से ज्यादा है, देन आयुष शक्ति हर्बल सप्लीमेंट डायबिटॉक्स पी के साथ साथ आपको एक दूसरा सप्लीमेंट डायबिटॉक्स सी का भी यूज करना है। तो ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे काफी पेशेंट्स में भी हमने देखा है कि डायबिटॉक्स सी और डायबिटॉक्स पी का फंक्शन बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से काम करता है। इससे काफी पेशेंट्स के शुगर लेवल कम हुए हैं और यदि वो एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन पे हैं तो उनकी एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन बंद हो गई है या कम हो गई है। एक ऐसे ही पेशेंट का किस्सा मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी। There was this 40-year-old woman. She came to me and she was complaining frequent like bloating, gas, acidity, and then I asked her to check her last 3 month average blood sugar, that is HbA1c, and we found it that her HbA1c was around 8. ये बात है 26 अप्रैल 2019 की। और इमीडिएटली हमने उनको फिर डाइट जो अभी मैंने आपसे शेयर किया, मूंग वेजिटेबल्स वाला डाइट स्टार्ट किया, होम रेमेडी स्टार्ट की, और ये दोनों हर्बल फॉर्मुलेशन डायबिटॉक्स सी और डायबिटॉक्स पी चालू किया। तो आफ्टर 1 month, 1 महीने के बाद, what we found that there was a weight reduction by 7 kg, her digestion improved, her menstrual cycle improved, and then after 3 months when we checked her HbA1c, her sugar levels were around 7. Then we repeated her HbA1c again on December 29 and it was around 5.9. आपके अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइप करिए, हम जरूर इसका आंसर करेंगे। एक और डायबिटीज से रिलेटेड एक्सपीरियंस मैं शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। एक 64 साल के एक मेल पेशेंट आए थे मेरे पास और उनकी ये तकलीफ थी कि उनका मुंह और गला सूख रहा था, सीवियर कॉन्स्टिपेशन था उन्हें, और फुल बॉडी में इचिंग थी, खुजली हो रही थी। उनकी मैंने रिपोर्ट्स की, उसमें जो फास्टिंग था, खाली पेट पर शुगर आफ्टर 1 month, 1 महीने के बाद जब हम उनका टेस्ट किया तो उनका फास्टिंग खाली पेट वाला जो शुगर था वो अराउंड 76 एंड आफ्टर फूड का जो था वो अराउंड 174 था। सो वी विश दैट जो भी मैंने आपको टिप्स बताए हैं, होम रेमेडीज, डाइट और हर्बल फॉर्मुलेशंस, उससे आप अपना शुगर लेवल्स और ओवरऑल हेल्थ मेंटेन करेंगे। If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section below and we will definitely reply. We are also available on phone consultations. Thank you.
Okay, so this was a very great informative session. We have more questions from our viewers. One of our viewers asked, how often should I test my blood sugar and what should I do if it is too high or too low?
See, in this thing, if you are a diabetic, if you are in case of diabetic, then it is advisable to test your blood sugar every 3 months. If you don't have any history of diabetes, then every 6 months or in a year you can check. And if your
Okay, I think due to the low internet connection, your voice is not audible.
Okay.
Okay, so
Hello.
yeah, it is visible. Yeah. So there is one more question for Dr. Smita Naram. Any herbs you recommend for high sugar? And kindly unmute your mic.
Yeah, Dr. Priyanka already spoke about the herbs actually, and there are the Diabitox C and Diabitox P. These two formulas are actually under research trial. They have been proven effective in two ways. Number one of them has ingredients which has impact on the pancreatic toxin removal, so that's why the insulin secretion improves, and in overall it helps, both of them together helps pancreatic function. So I would say these two herbs are very effective. There are a combination of formulas. They contain mainly actually several herbs like asnath, gudumar. There are several ayurvedic powerful herbal concentrate extracts are there in these herbal formulas. You can definitely find them actually on our website.
Perfect. Dr. Priyanka, we have a question for you. Can diabetes be completely cured? I think Dr. Priyanka is not here.
Okay.
Hello. Am I
Yeah.
audible
Right.
now?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
as Dr. Smita mentioned that by our treatment, we help to regulate the metabolism. So definitely the diabetes can be controlled, and if we improve the metabolism, and if it is a newly diagnosed condition, definitely it can be helpful.
All right. There is one more question. Will bananas raise my blood sugar?
Yes, definitely. We
Okay.
recommend not to take fruits when the blood sugar is high. Um, if you want to control your sugar levels naturally, fruits contain very highly easily digestible fructose, which is instantly raising the blood sugar levels. So when there is diabetes, it's always good to take carbohydrates which are more complex, like millets, like Dr. Priyanka spoke to you about jowar, millets, then ragi, or different kinds of quinoa, that kind of a grain which are more proteinous and which has more complex carbs. When they, first of all, carbs has to be reduced substantially, but complex carbs absorb very gradually, slowly. So there is not a sudden spike in the blood sugar level, because that is very dangerous for diabetes. So corn, fruits, rice, potatoes should be completely avoided as much as possible.
All right. There is one more question. Yoga asana for sugar control. Any yoga asana for sugar control?
Yeah,
Uh,
basically, you want to answer, Dr. Priyanka?
yes, ma'am. I think Vajrasana and Mandukasana are more effective because when we bend, the pancreas stimulation is there. So these two asanas are found very effective. If anything else you may add, ma'am.
And Anulom Vilom Pranayam anyways helps every endocrine system. So that is one.
There is one question from Kamlesh. He is asking, will these herbs help in type 1 diabetes?
So type 1 diabetes is actually quite autoimmune related. Immune system is attacking on the pancreas, and that's why the function is completely disturbed. So my experience in last 32 years from Ayush Shakti is that when you take the herbs as a support, it will definitely prevent. I just want to give you example of a boy that we are helping in UK, and he is taking injections definitely. And when he came to see me, he was like 6 years of age. It's now 9 years he's doing these herbs along with the injections for last 3 years. The benefit what he found was that he's left, as when you grow in type 1 diabetes, the child is growing. Normally, because of the body weight, they have to increase the sugar levels. But his need for the units of insulin to take, um, sorry, what I meant was when you grow in your weight, you have to increase the insulin injection levels. But in this case, what happened that his need to take insulin against number of units of carbohydrate reduced instead of increasing. So the doctors were actually happy, and they said that you continue this support therapy because it is helping at least to not make it worse, and gradually there is some kind of a improvement seen in metabolic capacity of the boy.
Thank you, Dr. Smita Naram and Dr. Priyanka Shukla, for sharing a wonderful, informative session with us. So I think all of you guys are clear with all of the questions related to diabetes. I would like to thank you all of you to joining us our live session. If you want to talk to a doctor, you can have a phone consultation with them. अगर आपको हमारे डॉक्टर से कोई भी हेल्थ रिलेटेड बात करनी है तो आप हमसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इंडिया में अगर आप है तो आपके लिए ये नंबर है 180026630001। अगर आप कोई ग्लोबल कंट्री से कॉल कर रहे हैं तो नंबर है 180028000906। आप हमें व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं, नंबर है 7777001561। If you want to connect to a doctors from any place in India, you can contact us on 180026630001. Or if you're connecting us from any global country, you can call us on 180028000906. You can WhatsApp us on 7777001561, or you can email us at info@ayushakti.com. Thank you for joining us. Namaskar.